Hello my retro friends, I hope you had a good Macintosh this year. I've got one last thing to show you. So I found this diskette in my collection. Here it is. It's pretty weird. So should we try it? What's the worst that could happen? MS-DOS. Alright, let's check out the content of the directory. dir... What? What? Backspace. What? What? Happy March, Microsoft. This cursed boot disk had my own special init file that I programmed in C. In case you want to try it out, you'll find the links down below to Macintosh Garden where this will be uploaded. All you need is either an emulator such as Mini VMac or an ancient enough Mac that can run System 6 or below. It needs to use the older sound driver, so System 7 will not play the sound back, though it will probably work with the image. I just started a series on retro coding in C for Macs a few days ago, so if it's something that interests you, click on the link seen here or the one in the description. Consider following my channel since I'll be covering how to make your own init in due time, and it will allow you to load stuff at boot time. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.